Welcome back. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Boop. We've been literally washing like everything in our apartment this past week, from bedding to clothes to every single towel, every single dish rag, just because we decided to clean out the biggest closet that we had and move a desk up into it because it gets so cold here and we have such an old air conditioning unit. It really costs a lot of money to get that thing running and getting it warm in this place. So we have just like a space heater and we just have been holed up in that room this whole winter, and it really has helped our electric bill, but I'm lacking my closet space now. A little bit of a late lunch, but we're gonna eat a spinach wrap. It has ham, cheese, egg, a little bit of yum yum sauce, and a little bit of Tony's for seasoning. Look how pretty this guy is. Ooh, so pretty. Ooh. What are these? Why are you buying so much?
I only bought one thing. This is all you.
What are you talking about?
And a water bottle for this thing. Gallon of water. This thing.
Hey y'all, I just woke up from a siesta. It was nice. We're about to go out to eat.
Get a beer, even when I said I'm not.
We are getting up close and personal. Sorry if I sound a little weird. I have my bottom retainers in, and it's been a while since I've had them in. But I am about to wax my eyebrows, and I thought, why not vlog it? Hey guys, so we are on our way to the Tennessee game. They're playing LSU today. But yeah, we'll see you there. You got the taco! You got the taco! Morning, so I just got done with class for the day. I'm gonna go home, take a nap because we stayed up late last night. I have work a little bit later. He also just got done with work. It is raining and supposedly supposed to snow, so we'll see if it actually snows. Hey! It's freezing. We just popped some, they're called chicken fries, into the oven, and that's what we're eating tonight. I'm going to do a face mask afterwards and get this nasty hair washed. But yeah, it's Thursday night. Alright, so I just took a shower, still have a little bit of makeup on, so. As expected, I broke out from waxing. It's not bad though, there's like one up here. It's kind of bad around my mouth though. So I never ever wax my mustache. I got one of my sisters this for Christmas, and the other one was mad that I didn't get it for her. But it is Pearl Essence coconut water. It was only like $6.99 from TJ Maxx, and I live by this stuff. It can be sprayed over makeup, which I like. It smells so good. I'm gonna be doing a face mask tonight just because our weather is out of control. It's hot and it's cold. It's supposed to snow tonight, and it's supposed to be like 50 in 2 days. I don't know, it's weird. It's getting on my nerves. But it's drying out my skin and I'm tired of it. I am going to be using the Spa Sesh face mask. It has sea minerals in it, so that's pretty much all I can find on it. I think it was like a freebie from spending so much money at Pink. My sister gave it to me for Christmas. So it's been 15 minutes and we're just gonna and I did look it up during those 15 minutes. And it's still for sale on Victoria's Secret's website. It's $5. I think it's okay. It doesn't smell great. You know, there are some face masks that smell good. This is not one of them. So it is Friday, and this is the first time I'm filming today. Sorry. Didn't really have anything interesting. Went to school, work time. After work, I pretty much just hung out for a little bit and then decided that we were hungry and we needed to make something to eat. So I'm making like a Korean dish. You gotta make the sauce first, which was, oh goodness, brown sugar, crushed red pepper, regular ground pepper, sesame oil, there's something else, and soy sauce. Yeah, soy sauce. I think it says cook it with ground beef, but we're doing the chicken. And we needed to cook the green bell pepper, so we just cooked some onions in that. Here's the rice, made it look all pretty, and now we just put the chicken and all that sauce on top, and then sprinkle it with some green onions and some sesame seeds. This is the rice. You said, can I have some? Can I have some? Right, finished product. It's 2 in the morning and they're cuddling. Look how cute they are. He's so cute. And look at the tail. Oh, that tail. Just a wagging, huh? Hi, girls. Yeah. Excuse all this. It's Sunday. I didn't put makeup on. It's better for my face. It's been super dry this week, so trying to keep it super moisturized, and my hands are so dry too. But anyways, I'm just closing out this vlog. Just ran to the grocery store. Kelvin's sick, so I went and gotten some chicken noodle soup. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!